As young adults, we really don't think about estate planning. Do I have a will? Do I have a power of attorney? If you're just going into college or you've just graduated, starting an adult life, you're not really thinking about, I need to have my estate plan in place, but you should. There's multiple reasons why you would want to have an estate plan done in place if you're a young adult. So I am 31 years old, and if I was not a lawyer in this area of law, I do not think that I would be thinking about an estate plan at my age or when I was younger. But really thinking about, for example, if you are going to college and something were to happen to you, maybe you're going across the country and your parents are going to be, on the East Coast and you're going to the West Coast. And if something were to happen to you while you were at college, you would want to make sure that your parents could come and have the authority to make decisions for you if it became necessary. That's what a power of attorney does. It makes sure that if something happens while you're in college, say medical wise, or if there was some type of financial situation and you needed your parents to help assist you and have legal authority to make decisions for you, if you have the power of attorney in place, that ensures that that can happen. And the power of attorney that you do in North Carolina, if you end up going to school in California, can still be valid in California. So thinking about that. Also thinking about just as a young adult, when you're coming into your adult life, maybe you don't have children yet, maybe you're engaged or you're not married or you're getting married or just recently married. Thinking about having an estate plan in place that benefits your life right now and who you would want to benefit from your life right now. If you've just gotten married and maybe you have a dog and you just bought a house, you want to make sure that if something were to happen to you or both of you, that you have documents in place that account for that and say, where does your dog go? Unfortunately, in North Carolina, a dog is an animal is just considered tangible personal property. I don't agree with it. I have 3 dogs. Those are my children. But you want to make sure that in your estate plan, you've accounted for that. More and more young adults are not having children and they're favoring having a pet, having a dog, having a cat, whatever animal that may be. So in your estate plan, you can actually account for that. You can say in your estate plan, who is going to be the caretaker of my animal? You can leave money for that caretaker to take care of the animal. You can make sure that that animal is going to go to the person that you want in your estate plan. So those are just super important considerations to think of just as a young person, making sure that you're thinking about that. And if you're starting a new business, this would be a great opportunity for you to develop a estate plan. If something were to happen to you, who's going to handle that business? What happens with that business? There's a lot more entrepreneurs nowadays. If you've decided maybe college isn't for you and you went right into business, having an estate plan in place, having a power of attorney where someone can take over that business for you if you cannot at that moment is super important. I would love to have a free consultation with you to discuss the importance of estate planning and what really is going to be best suited for you. You can give us a call at 888-999-6600 or visit our website at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling.
Please don't wait.